greatest intergalactic bounty hunter is here to collect. You have done some bad business.
I've done some bad what?
You've done some bad business.
I don't understand you.
You've done some bad business.
That's a lie! That's a damn lie!
You come with us now, business puppy, so we can collect our bounty. Come with me now, come down to Destructo. Here, puppy. Here, puppy.
I don't think so.
Come to Madam Shatter. Open the portal. This puppy. Come to Destructo and Madam Shatter.
I'll do all the pain. Should I go? I can hold it. I ain't gonna go. I'm staying.
Then this puppy won't come?
No. Good boy, stay.
Madam Shatter, the portal! This puppy, you have left us no choice. Madam Shatter, the portal!
Bring the ball back!
Did this puppy want the ball?
Bring the ball back!
Did this puppy want the ball?
I want the ball!
Did this puppy want the ball?
I want the ball!
Come get the ball. Come get the ball. Come on, get this puppy. Come on, get this puppy. Come get the ball. That's right. That's right. Come on. Come on, get this puppy. Here, puppy. Come on. Here, puppy. Yeah. 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 Come on, business puppy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. We're taking you back. We're collecting.
More to come. March 10th at the CONCORD Music Hall. Sponsored by Pabst Blue Ribbon Beer.